Want to take pictures on Instagram app but camera isn't working? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to fix Instagram camera not working. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the small plus icon at the top left. Then tap on camera. As we can see, the camera is not working. What we can do is go to phone settings, scroll down, tap on apps, go to app management, search for Instagram, tap on it, tap on permissions, scroll down, then tap on camera. Select allow only while using the app. Now let's go back to the Instagram. Let's tap on the plus icon again. Tap on camera. And as you can see, the camera is working. And that is how to fix Instagram camera not working. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.